In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow in Canva. Whether you're trying to make your images pop or add depth to your designs, mastering this technique can really elevate your creative projects. Let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet impactful effect. First, you'll need to have your Canva design open and ready. Navigate to the image that you want to apply the drop shadow to. Click directly on the image to select it. Once selected, you'll notice a menu will appear somewhere on your screen. This is your editing hub. Now from this menu, look for the button or option that says Edit. Clicking on Edit will open up a range of features to alter your image. This is where the magic happens and where you can access various effects. With the editing panel open, you should see a section labeled Shadows. Select this option to uncover different shadow styles you can apply to your image. Among these options, you will find one named Drop. Click on Drop and watch as the shadow instantly adds depth and dimension to your image. Once you've selected the drop shadow, you'll have several options to customize its appearance to fit your design perfectly. Start by adjusting the blur amount. You'll see a slider you can move left or right. More blur will make the shadow softer and less distinct, which is great for a subtle look. If you want a sharper shadow, reduce the blur. Next, explore the angle slider. This lets you change the direction from which the shadow appears to cast. Experimenting with the angle can create a dynamic effect, suggesting different light sources in your artwork. You also have a distance slider. This controls how far the shadow appears from the image. It's all about playing with these settings until you achieve the right balance that suits your design aesthetics. A greater distance can imply a more pronounced dramatic shadow, while a shorter distance keeps it modest. Another creative aspect you can adjust is the color of the shadow. Clicking on the color option opens a palette, allowing you to select hues that complement or contrast with your design palette, adding even more creativity to your project. Finally, the intensity slider is a crucial tool for controlling how dark and bold the shadow appears. Moving it to the right will intensify the shadow for a more pronounced look, while to the left will make it softer and more understated. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can add an eye-catching drop shadow effect to any image in Canva, enhancing your design's visual appeal effortlessly. Experiment with different combinations of settings to find the perfect look for your project. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy using this technique to bring your designs to life.